Hey everybody, just wanted to fill you in on this 10-piece screwdriver set by Milwaukee. High leverage handle, magnetic tip, limited lifetime warranty. Here's the 10 pieces here. I was just at my local Ace hardware store. I seen it on sale for $19.95, $20. There's the item number right there, 48222710. Strong magnetic tips, wrench ready shank. So what I did is I got online, I looked up Home Depot, and these are currently $35 still at Home Depot. So I think this $20 sale is a great deal. Check it out if you have a local Ace store where you live. Run in and check it out. Really nice set here. And if you don't know, these holes, so you can put another screwdriver or a braking bar in there, and you'll get more leverage if you need more torque when you turn. Got the slotted 5/16, slotted 3/16, Phillips number 2, slotted 1/4 inch, the square number 1, Phillips number 2, little shorty, square number 2, slotted 1/4 inch, Phillips number 2, and a Phillips number 1. So you'll get what, three Phillips here? 1, 2, 3. 3 of your flathead. 1, 2, 3, 4 flathead. 2 squares. Not a bad deal. Check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you guys go to your local Ace and if you find this deal, or if you find any other amazing deals. Thanks. Bye.